Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are always healthy and happy. So my name is Mutiara, but you can call me Muti. I was born in Jakarta 1st October 2001. I am currently 19 years old. I have done my intermediate in 42 Senior High School in Jakarta. I'm so excited to start a college, learn new things, and meet new people. I'm studying as a first-year student in the Faculty of Social Science in State University of Jakarta. Today, in my vlog, I want to tell you about the history of Jakarta State University. I want to tell you about academic life and facilities in campus. The campus with the motto Building Future and Leaders was founded in 1964 behind the edge of a half-century campus. University of Jakarta has a long history. Before being known as the Jakarta State University, this campus was once integrated with the FKIP Faculty of Science Education, University of Indonesia. Then after that, separated from University of Indonesia and was better known as IKIP Jakarta. Signed for August 1999, IKIP Jakarta has changed to Jakarta State University by presidential decree. The university has 4 campuses in East and South Jakarta, with the main campus being located in Rawamangun. Divided into 8 faculties, currently University of Jakarta students reach approximately 40,000 people from 8 faculties. For new student candidates, there are 3 registration routes, namely SNMPTN, SBMPTN, and Independent Examination or Penmaba University of Jakarta. University of Jakarta is an educational campus that produces professional teachers. The general public know University of Jakarta as an educational campus. Prospective students who intend to become teachers can study here. University of Jakarta is education study program that is more complete than other campuses. You can take education study program starting from early childhood education, psychology science, natural science, social science, dance, music, fine art, foreign language, sport, culinary, fashion, to make up. The education study program at University of Jakarta is complete, supported by adequate facilities. University of Jakarta itself has 2 entrances. First, namely the Rawamangun Muka Gate as the main gate. The second is the Youth Gate as the back gate of the campus, which can only be used for motorbike users. The State University of Jakarta has 8 faculties. The first faculty of education. In this faculty, there are 7 major, namely counseling, guidance, education, management, PAUD teacher education, a primary school teacher education, special education, community education, and educational technology. Faculty of Education has several facilities, namely canteen, Daksinapati Hut, and Musola Tarbawi. The second faculty is the Faculty of Language and Art. This faculty has 12 majors. This faculty has facilities, namely art studio, dance art studio, and music art studio. The third is the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science. This faculty has 10 majors. The fourth is the Faculty of Social Science, which has 10 majors. This faculty also has several facilities, namely a library called Fish Reading Room. In addition, The faculty also has a computer laboratory, citizenship education laboratory, public relations laboratory, history laboratory, tourism and sociology laboratory. The next faculty is the Faculty of Engineering. This faculty has many study programs at the State University of Jakarta. There are 19 majors in this faculty. This faculty with the most major has several facilities, namely prayer rooms, gazebos for student discussion, and library. Next is the Faculty of Sport Education. This faculty has 5 majors. Faculty of Economics. This faculty has 8 majors. The faculty also has several facilities, namely laboratories, libraries, mosques, and theater. Next is the last faculty, that is the Faculty of Psychology Education. This faculty has only one major, namely the Department of Psychology. The campus, which has a green alma mater, seems to show the beauty of the campus. This is evidenced by the number of trees along the aisles in each faculty. The green image created by the campus can also be felt with its towering green buildings, especially with the green field in the middle of the campus and the pavilion in each faculty, making students feel at home in the campus environment. University of Jakarta has public facilities. The first one is a laboratory. The laboratory is provided by University of Jakarta to support the development of education and research carried out by lecturers and students. This laboratory is equipped with computer, teaching aids, simulated organs, television, tape recorder, loudspeaker, earphone, substance or chemicals and technical materials available according to the needs of the faculty. The second one is the library. The library at University of Jakarta has 6 floors with various types of books available. If you already have a library card, you can borrow these books and use them for studying. What's more, the University of Jakarta, the library is open to the public too. Students who will graduate from University of Jakarta don't have to worry about finding work. For University of Jakarta graduate with cum laude achievement, get ready, a job is looking for you. In big cities in Indonesia, there are still many schools that need teachers. The school believes in the quality of Jakarta State University graduate. After graduating, students with an SPD title will be sought out by the school to be recruited as teacher at the school. Well, it turned out that there are so many campuses at this university. Not only one, but there are 4 in this university. There are also many very adequate facilities for students at this university. Thank you very much. Hope you liked it. Bye bye.